Hi everyone, this video will be probably super boring for you. If you are waiting for more interesting content about specific strategies, you should skip this one and wait for the next videos. This is just a quick update I'm recording for transparency to show how our conservative options portfolio performed in February 2025. As you can see, the portfolio is growing consistently. If we check 1 year performance, we are still up about 76%. Now, let's compare that to S&P 500, which is basically flat. Well, not completely flat, but up 70% in the same period. Uh, out, our portfolio has outperformed it massively at 76.46%. And what about Nasdaq? Let's check. Wow, Nasdaq. Nasdaq is up 18%, but our portfolio is way ahead at 76%. Huge outperformance comparing to Nasdaq. Oh, you may be interested in what happened in August 2024. So it was the largest volatility spike in recent market history. And I shared all the details about that period in one of my previous videos. So if you want to learn more, just check it out. So now looking at year-to-date performance from January 1st to end of February, our portfolio is up about 11%, but in February it's been flat, almost completely flat. And comparing that to S&P 500, which is up just 1% this year, we have outperformed it by 10 times. And Nasdaq is actually down 2.3% for the year, while our portfolio is up 11%. So once again, we are crashing the market, even staying flat in February. It's important to mention that the second half of February or the last week of February were very tough for the market and for traders. It was one of the worst market weeks since September, I think September 2024, and volatility spiked significantly. As you know, short premium strategies are usually sensitive to volatility. But here's what I want to show you. When Nasdaq and S&P dropped, our portfolio barely moved. Yes, it was slightly down, but much less than the market. And that's the power of strategic investing. When the market goes up or stays flat, we crash it. When the market drops, we lose much less thanks to smart strategies like the Black Swan hedge or simply holding negative beta weighted positions. This is why it drives me insane when people say just buy and hold S&P 500. That's not how it works. S&P can stay flat for decade. Nasdaq can stay flat for decade. And you cannot afford that risk. You need to be strategic. You need to be smart. You need to be asymmetric. We are not doing what we are doing here isn't complicated, is not fancy. We are just using classic conservative short premium strategies. By the way, all of which I described in my trading plan. You can download it below this video. And if you want to stay updated, subscribe to this channel. Hopefully the next videos will be more actionable, covering specific strategies and management techniques. And hey, if you think this kind of video is boring, feel free to unsubscribe. But I'm just sharing our returns. February was flat, nothing crazy. I'm excited for next month because volatility is back, and that means plenty of great short premium opportunities. So let's see what happens, and I will keep you updated.